Hello students, now today we are going to discuss class 8 science, and today we'll discuss chemical property and uses of metal and non-metal. So first of all we will discuss about the chemical property of metal. The material that are present around us are grouped widely into metal and non-metal. So it is widely separated. They offers various uses of everyday metal and non-metal. Clear? So we will use metal and non-metal every day in different ways. Some very interesting and useful chemical property which make our life easier. Let us found and we'll discuss the property of that metal also. So first is chemical property of metal. So first is oxidation. Oxidation, we'll discuss what is oxidation. All metal except noble gases. Noble gases whose octant is completed. Clear? Which are gold and silver react with oxygen to form basic oxide. So except noble gases react with oxygen to form basic oxide, and reaction in this reaction sodium react with oxygen and generate a lots of heat. So sodium, if we allow, we put sodium into the air, so the sodium react with oxygen and create heat, means fire. Clear? So some example we'll see. Magnesium react with oxygen. Clear? Magnesium plus oxygen, so we get magnesium oxide. Clear? Zinc Zn plus oxygen, so we get ZnO2. ZnO. Clear? So all metal except noble gases react with oxygen and form of magnesium oxide. Clear? The second property will discuss rusting of iron of metal. Clear? So in this case we'll see iron plus oxygen and in presence of water we get iron oxide or brown in color, that is called rust. So what we take again another metal Fe, iron, and iron react with oxygen in presence of water, so we get iron oxide. So in previous one we will see what we get, magnesium oxide. In this case what we get, iron oxide. So I think it is clear to you that metal react with oxygen to form oxide, and this quality of matter is called oxidation. This quality is called oxidation. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is a property of metal to react with oxygen to form oxide. Clear? Okay. The dull and greenish metal that is deposited on the surface of copper of mixture of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate will take place as. So we'll see that if we have copper oxide and it is react with, we have a copper and carbon dioxide, it is react with oxygen, so we get two things. One is we are getting hydroxide, copper hydroxide, again oxide, and second we get carbon carbonate, copper carbonate. So this is copper hydroxide, so we get oxide if we reacting with oxygen. Clear? Second is the reaction of metal with water. How metal is reacting with water. So we have any metal, suppose that Na, sodium react with water and form hydroxide, sodium hydroxide again. So 2Na plus 2H2 is equal to NOH plus H2 and release hydrogen in atmosphere. The activity of potassium and calcium react with water at room temperature. So potassium and calcium, these two important chemical metal can be react with water at the room temperature. So that's why we place them into kerosene. Clear? Okay. Some example. These two are react very fast, but iron is react with water in presence of oxygen very slow and form rusting. Clear? Now next we will discuss in our next video the reaction of metal with acid.